Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my profile. So this video you're checking out because maybe you are new on my Facebook profile or LinkedIn profile or maybe Instagram. Okay, so let me give you a quick brief that how do we help solar and roofing companies out there to get maximum leads and appointments. So let's start with solar, that how we are helping with solar. So like many companies out there are selling leads and appointments to the solar companies out there for solar installation. And many times solar pros are getting repeated leads and appointments and they're not exclusive to them only. So what do we do and how we are different from them is like we get you the leads directly to your Facebook page. Okay, like for example, if you are based in Washington DC and you are selling solar physically and virtually like in that place, so what we do that we target the homeowners out there who are interested to install solar and who are looking to install solar, so they don't waste your time. They will just come to your page directly and they will drop their contact information and you call them and book an appointment. It's that super simple. Because for example, if I send you the leads on your email or phone or SMS, so there's no guarantee if that lead is particularly exclusive to you only. Okay, but here the lead, the customer, the homeowner is directly coming to you on your Facebook page, so everything is completely legit. The customer is directly coming to you. You will be dealing with the customer and booking the appointment. It's that super simple. Let's talk about roofing now, that how do we help roofers and how we are different from other lead generating companies who are selling the leads and appointments and not generating the right leads. So let's talk about, for example, New York. If you're based in New York and you're, you are repairing and installing the new roofs. So what do we do that? We make a system, okay, on different platforms, and we redirect the homeowners directly to your phone number, where they will just simply call you that, hey, I need a roof repair. Can you please come over for inspection? Or if they want a roof installation, hey, I need roof installation, can you please come over and check that if you can reinstall the roof and what the cost. So this how everything is just exclusive to you. And you know what, for example, is the homeowner name is John and your roofing company is like Z Air Roofers. So he will call that, hey, is it Z Air Roofers? You will say yes, because he has seen your ad and the phone number out there, so he would be remembering your name. So at this point you can measure that each and every homeowner out there is only qualified to you, only exclusive to you, and it's up to your sales pro that how does it go. So I think that you haven't heard of it lately, right? So if you are interested in a minimum of 50 inquiries from the homeowners, either you are into solar or roofing, you can find a one-on-one free call, a link on the description. I don't know if you're on Facebook or LinkedIn, because I'm gonna post it on the both places. So you can go and you can book a free one-on-one call, and I can show you the exact way that how is it done. Or you can scroll down a bit on my Facebook or LinkedIn and check out my results at how I've been doing some crazy results for my clients out there. Okay, so yeah, good luck and see you in the call.